Hi, welcome. I'm Janet Smith, and this is Crafts and Curls. I love everything crafty. I love everything curly. Well, I don't have to have everything curly, but I love my curly, coily, kinky hair. And that's what this channel is about as well. On this channel, I'm going to share with you my experiences with crafting. I love all things crafting with my hands. Crochet, knitting, doodling, curling, curling my hair with wash and goes, not necessarily with rollers or with heat or anything like that. So I'm journeying into the natural, well, not into the natural because I big chopped 12 years ago. And you can see the very first video that I created that's still on this channel, and it's kind of a reminder for myself from whence I came. When I big chopped my hair was probably about, this long. It was very, very short. And my intentions were to create tutorial videos. I've watched so many tutorial videos and I love it. And so I want to give back. I want to start gifting those experiences that I have, the excitement that I have, the greatness that I have when I find something that works amazingly, and I have. So I'm ready to share that and show how it works with my hair. Mainly wash and goes, but I want to throw some crafts in here for some twists on the wash and go style, as I have right here. So my experiences, my knowledge, my opinion, tutorials, you get all those types of things here in the Crafts and Curl channel. I'm sharing and showing you my textured strands and showing you what works for me. The medium is going to be hair. The medium is going to be yarn. The medium is going to be paper. It's going to be crafts, DIY projects. I love doing things myself. Tune in for the tutorials. Return for the surprises.